So this is going to show us how to import contacts from a list and then get them into Odoo. I'll split the recording up into at least two, because we obviously need to first of all get the data. We need to then present it in a way that Odoo likes to receive it, and then we have to obviously import it from there. So first of all, if we go to contacts, we have a button here called import, and this allows you to export, in other words, send out an example template, which you'll be able to see then how the data needs to look. Okay, so I've saved that. And it looks like this. So it exports a random, some addresses, etc. In California, interestingly enough. You can give each lead an external ID so you don't import it twice, but obviously you need to generate the numbers for that, so you can probably safely ignore that. Notice that this spreadsheet will allow you to import both company and individual contacts. So this example says grocery outlet, which is a company, and within that company we have 4 individual contacts. So we probably won't need to do that, because I think most of our leads come through singularly. So when we have company type, we just need to specify that it is a company. So every time it sees a line with the word company, it will generate a new lead. The names along the top here are important. Their order is not so important. So in a moment, we're going to need to add the names along the top of our spreadsheet we want to import. Notice though here, the example has street and street 2, but we have the extra module for addresses, which will have street 3, and I'll show you how we can add that. So once we've got data that looks like it's going to go in, and maybe you try a couple just to see, couple of leads just to see how well it goes in first, and then any extra field we have added in our database, we just need to put in the right place, and then that will import it, obviously, as long as we've got it. So this was a bunch of leads. We need to add a row along the top. And we also need to add a column, because we need to put the word company, don't we? And we just need to type that word company. We'll save that just so we don't goof it. And now we just need to enter our information along the top here, making sure that we keep. In a moment, when we go to add it, you'll see you have an opportunity of clarifying which field belongs where within Odoo itself. We're going to leave what should be street 3 empty so we can see how that works. We obviously need to use the word zip. And we need to use the word state as opposed to county. And we need to use the word phone. So this database now, that we've got the field names and the company added, should in fact import directly into Odoo. So I'll stop now, and then we'll start another one when we actually import it.